Guys, what's up? क्या हाल है आप लोगों के? Guys, do you guys know Jackson Wang? Jackson Wang और दिलजीत दोसांझ का कोलैबोरेशन हुआ है भाई, और इस वजह से मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ।
Bad little thing, make a ruckus. Smile when she turn around and bust it. I was in the streets just a day.
इससे पहले कि I start this video, why don't you like, subscribe and share my video and go to my Instagram. इसका लिंक जो है डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। Guys, we all know Jackson Wang. Jackson Wang जो ना बहुत ही फेमस आर्टिस्ट है, और we all know दिलजीत दोसांझ भाई। वो तो वर्ल्ड में तो उसके बिना कोई है ही नहीं यार। To be honest, you don't get to see such cinematic brilliance in songs, in music videos that much. But in this song, you have it. Song, rap, handsome singer, dance, and there is a story.
Show you how to dance. Say you wanna dance. Say you wanna dance.
25 में जैसन वैंग का मैजिक मैन 2 आने वाला है, तो जिस वजह से ये जो इसमें ना पूरा कंटिन्यू है, पूरा डार्क थीम और सिनेमाटोग्राफी तो यार क्या गजब की है भाई। सबसे पहले सीन है भाई दासू है भाई, वो जैक्सन वैंग जो है स्क्विड को मार रहा है, जो ऐसे कर रहा होता है। अब सोचोगे यार ये स्क्विड को ऐसे डाल दिया ऐसे ही जस्ट टू शो। ना जैक्सन वैंग ने ये ऐसे नहीं डाला है। ये स्क्विड जो है ना जैक्सन वैंग के पहले के म्यूजिक वीडियोस में भी था, जैसे कि हाई अलोन, जी बैड और अब बक में। इट समहाउ ये दिखाता है जैक्सन वैंग का मे बी इनर स्ट्रगल, उसका पास्ट। जो पूरा 2-3 मिनट का सॉन्ग है ना, वो पूरा ऐसा लगेगा कि डार्क, सररियल, और सिनेमेटोग्राफी तो क्या गजब की है। 2-3 मिनट आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि यू आर इन अ ड्रीम, समथिंग इज हैपनिंग हियर एंड सडनली दिस इंडियन गाय केम एंड इट्स लाइक रैपिंग। मतलब जैक्सन वैंग और दिलजीत का कोलैबोरेशन होगा। By the way, how's my sunglasses? सही नहीं है, रात के sunglasses. You're also playing fuck. Do you know Jackson Wang?
Jackson Wang? I know.
You know?
Oh, no.
Wow. So this is Jackson Wang's new song, Buck.
A new song?
Oh.
Oh. 멋있어.
Say you wanna dance. Say you wanna dance. How's the dance?
멋있어.
Magic. Oh yes.
Magic?
Oh, he's handsome, right? Like this song?
Oh, I like the song. Okay.
So he likes the song. He likes the song.
Oh, I like the song. What is song? White Squid?
Squid?
Oh.
Squid. So guys, in this song, Squid is represent his inner self. In the past, some problems, his struggle, inner struggle. Struggle, Aljo. His struggle. So it represent that. And not only this song, before song also, like G-Bad, High Alone, and now Buck, all Squid. Well,
Squid.
no, Squid. That's why I like this Squid. Okay. He liked the song and he asked me about Squid. So I told him, Squid in this song, not only this song, his previous songs also like G-Bad and High Alone and now Buck, they were Squid, and it represents his inner struggles. Guys, he's still searching about Squid. Why Squid? So let's play a game. Do you know why Squid? I answer. So in this video, if you watch this video very carefully, you should know the answer. Okay, so let me know in the comment section why Squid. I'll tell you, Jackson Wang is very famous in South Korea, very famous, and not only in South Korea, all over the world. I saw some videos, I saw many videos now, and log सारे ना message कर रहे थे. They were waiting for his videos and they were waiting for his new song, which is Buck. Do you guys know Jackson Wang was a very famous athlete? Alright guys, I have this. Hello. I have this handsome Korean guy, Jackson Wang. आ रहा है. You know this Jackson Wang?
Yeah, I know.
So he has this new song. Okay.
Oh, I know. Very
Very
nice
good song.
Nice song. Good song. English. Oh my god,
Yes.
my favorite song.
And you know, in the Indian guy,
Yeah,
Diljit.
favorite song. Oh my god, you know that?
You go there.
Wow.
This is Indian guy.
Yeah,
He's very famous, Diljit Dosanjh.
yeah. I know.
Wow.
One day, one boy song.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
He listened to this song. He's
Yeah.
been listening to this song.
yeah.
Wow, thank you.
I'm shower time. One day, one song.
Thank you. भाई बक का जो मेन थीम है ना, वो है कि I dream of going all the way to hell to deal with you. भाई साहब, super punchline, you the punch super. This song is very bold, cinematic, and fearless. I mean, if I have to define this song, Jackson Wang song, then it is bold, cinematic, and fearless. You can see in the video also, in the music video, you can see his dance move first of all, and his attitude, the expressions. It was like, you know, there was something bold. I felt like as an audience, oh. I think all the Koreans know Jackson Wang very well. In this song, it has everything. I mean, it is one of the perfect song, you can say. Aggression, body language, lyrics. Then you have a rapper like Diljit Dosanjh. And you know, the moves. That's why it is bold, fearless and cinematic. मुझे लगता है इस song का award जीतना चाहिए cinematography में. Jackson Wang, bug. This video. How's the song?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yes.
Oh, it's like. How's the video?
Oh, energetic.
Energetic. Guys, you also liked it. I hope Jackson Wang makes more and more such videos because ये जो गाना था ना, and this music video, it is like treat for eyes. मतलब देखने में मजा आ रहा था. Artistically, very good. Like I said, bold, fearless and cinematic. Good job, awesome. और भाई साहब उसके बाद स्टार्ट होती है एंट्री दिलजीत दोसांझ की भाई साहब. और बंदा जो नीट से लुक में दिखाया ना, oh भाई साहब, awesome. I'm gonna play a song and you have to react. Okay? And first of all, right. Jackson Wang.
Oh shit! I know this song, bro. I know it.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah, I know it. Yeah, I have a bar here. I can play this song for you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I know that song.
All right, let's go.
I know
the song. He knows the song.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
How's this song?
It's good.
It's English and Hindi both mixed.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow. It's amazing. Yeah.
थोड़ा डार्क बनाया है, ब्लड. It looks gangsta, yeah. Very nice. They both were so cool. I'll be very honest, the music is awesome. I mean, the duo of Jackson Wang and Diljit Dosanjh. It was like dream come true for so many fans. Just do one thing. The song link is in the description. Go and listen to the song. अगर अच्छा लगे, so let me know in the comment and let us know about Jackson Wang or Diljit Dosanjh. Awesome, swag. So he's the owner of the bar.
Yeah.
How was the song?
It was amazing, bro.
Amazing.
Amazing, fucking. I love it.
You loved it.
I loved the song. Even people are still dancing. Yeah,
True story.
that's a nice song. Yeah.
And when Diljit Dosanjh.
Oh, he's fucking so hot. Yeah. Carry on, bro.
Let me know how you like this song. And don't forget to share this song. And I hope to see them more and more together. Jackson Wang and Diljit Dosanjh. Now I'm gonna go to home and listen to the song. And you also do. अच्छा गाना है. Let me know what do you think about this song. Hello. I'll be very honest. Most of the people knew about this song in South Korea. Because why? As I told you, Jackson Wang is very famous in South Korea. Like I said, Squid. There is a story. Squid बस इस गाने में नहीं है, guys. Remember. Why I keep saying this? Because there is a suspense, and you will get to know this in future. Anyways, guys, this is it from this video. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो आप लाइक कर देना, शेयर कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, and don't forget to listen to this song. इसका नाम है बाक. मैं भी जा रहा हूँ सुनने के लिए. Bye bye and take care.